morning, Your Holiness.
Oh. Is it on? Press.
Good morning. Is it on? My name is Allison, and on behalf of the Emory community, I would like to express our extreme joy and gratitude to be here with you this morning with our beloved professor.
가서 프로페서 가르사.
그래서 그 프로페서도 정말 행기했는데
Yes.
저기 좀 가고 지나죠. 나 알레나 여름 지단데 에머리기 뒤로는 프로페서.
오늘 yes, yes.
나.
Hopeless professor.
Your Holiness, throughout our time in India, we have had the opportunity to learn about and expand our compassion practice. During this process, many of us have become increasingly interested in not only the personal, but also the large-scale, practical applications of compassion. We therefore ask, how can we transform a society where structural oppression and injustice are prevalent into one rooted in compassion?
One 가르사.
근데 인상 family 나 가서 잠시실 샤베도 자와송이 디 컨디스치도 그렇죠. 그래서 등산.
Now I feel the education, existing education system is very much material oriented education. So now we need an education mainly regarding health of mind. Health of mind. I usually call the hygiene of physical. We actually in education there. Now hygiene of emotion must include, not as a religious matter, just how to build healthy mind, health combined with a healthy body. So this part of education. In education should include these things as an academic subject, not a religious subject. Then also including some practice of breathing. These also is for health. Okay, like that. So I think, therefore now Emory University, now last few years, because involved, trying to create some curriculum. Oh, it is very, very, very grateful. Thank you. So still, we will carry continuously this work, and very important. So mainly through education, not through prayer, not through religious or rituals or some chanting. No, just knowledge and how to tackle our mind. Mainly, as I mentioned earlier, health of body, health of mind. As a treating
hygiene, emotional hygiene, health,
the healthy mind, healthy body, like that. So that I think a strictly secular way. So according Indian understanding, secular means respect to all religion and also respect to non-believer. That's something unique, very important. So eventually, I think those countries who really highly developed material field, but I think problem mental level, I think still a lot of problem. So relying drugs or alcohol, like that. So this clearly shows lack of knowledge how to tackle our emotion and how to keep peace of mind. So too much stress and anxiety. These things, you see, through training of mind, with fuller knowledge about the whole map of emotion, then much easier. Like that. Okay.